Hey there, it's Sanvi from Archika School, and today I want to ask you a very important question. How often do you feel that your voice isn't heard, or people take you very casually? They don't take you seriously? I have been there, and what I have realized is that your non-verbal communication is a lot more important than your verbal communication. So your words are not as important as how you show up. And that's why today I want to talk about something very simple, yet something so powerful: posture. There was a time that I remember I used to walk in a room, my shoulders slouched, my head hung down, and I was not at all confident. But with 5 amazing tricks, because I'm not telling you a quick tip, I'm telling you some things that are actually going to work. So I used these tricks and turned from invisible to unstoppable. And I want to give you the same confidence in my channel. And that is my mission. So, in this channel, you're going to find your inner potential and speak with people the way you want to speak and look like a big winner. Look like a somebody. So, let's talk and dive right in. But before that, I want to make a few things clear. That if you don't find value by the end of this video, you can skip subscribing. Only press that button if you think I've genuinely helped you. So now, let's dive deep into it. So the first thing that I want you all to know is to turn your pages. Yes. The first thing that you need to know is your books. Your books are really important. You might be thinking, why did books come in the middle of posture? So grab a book first of all. Take any book, okay? And just stand right there, wherever you are. Take the book and balance it in your head. Balance it on your head. Balance it on your head and try to strengthen your spine. It will strengthen automatically though. But you need to keep on balancing it so that your spine is straight. So this is the trick number 1. And if your book falls down, it's okay. And you can show off your balance trick and make yourself seem as royalty, because you are. Now let's move on to the second trick. The second trick is the wall. Weird, isn't it? Yes, it is. But sometimes your wall can be your best friend. What you have to do basically, take the wall and stand against it. Your heels, your shoulders, your head should be touching the wall. And this will automatically strengthen your spine. It will make your back straight. Alright? And this is very important because this is like a number 1 trick that you can use. And if you can't find a wall, go borrow your neighbors. But make sure some people are not seeing. Or else you might have to answer why you're hugging a wall. The third important point the third important point that we all must do is you need to hang from the ceiling. I mean, you don't really have to hang. It's going to be your imagination. Yes, your imagination. So you're going to imagine that a rope or a thread is stuck on your head from here and onto the top of the ceiling. Okay, onto the top of ceiling. And you're going to imagine yourself as a puppet, but a classy one, and that you're going taller and taller and taller and taller. That will automatically strengthen your back. And like I told in my last video, your brain cannot identify between what you vividly imagine and your reality. So you can imagine this, and when someone asks, why are you growing so taller and taller and taller and taller? Just say that you're testing your Wi-Fi signal, because the higher it goes, the better it comes. Right? Now, these three important points might have helped you. They will help you for sure if you practice it regularly. So the first one, balance a book on your head, hang by the ceiling, take the support of the wall. These three things are going to help you. Now the fourth thing is to take action. In small to small daily life events, you need to look like a somebody, a big winner. So what you're going to do is basically whenever you walk into a room, automatically you should think of what you did while your head and the ceiling was tied together by a rope. Alright? You're going to imagine yourself when you're entering a room. You're going to try it even in your home. Even if you're working in a coffee shop, at a cafe, and you're grabbing yourself tea in that room, in that as your space as a room. So you're going to own that space. You're going to make yourself comfortable over there. Your head and your shoulder the same width apart. Your shoulders relaxed but serving a purpose, being purposeful. That is how you're going to actually become a person who is confident. And guess what? People will notice you. You need to own the room. Right? So this is going to help you. These tricks are really helpful. Now I can guarantee you that because I have used it. And this trick will be called own up your space. Because you need to own the space in the room. And if someone asks you, why are you so confident? Say that I am going to give an Oscar speech. Because you need to live that moment with the best posture and make people feel that you are worth listening to and you are confident with a resounding yes. Resounding yes. So, this is going to be the end. And remember that posture is very simple but very powerful. And it can give the introduction of you. And just like I said, if the person wants to know whether you're confident or whether you're made so that or you're worth to listen to, then it will be a resounding yes, an amazing, wonderful yes. It should be. And if you did not get value, it's okay if you don't subscribe. But if you do, you know what to do. So, thank you everyone. Keep growing and have lots of fun. Thank you and have a great day. Catch you later. Bye.